Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Inshallah, I'm starting a new course which will help you to understand and speak Arabic. The only thing that's required of you is be able to read Quran. So if you're able to read Quran, inshallah, this course is one for you. We'll be focusing on sentences which are basic in nature but widely applicable and used in daily life. Inshallah, let's get into it. So the first sentence you normally learn in a new language is be able to say, what is this? First thing to notice in Arabic is that there are no helping verbs. So there's no is, are, or am. For example, in Arabic, if I want to say you are a tall man, I will simply say you a tall man without the are. You tall man. You a tall man. Or if you want to say I am a teacher, I will say I a teacher. Or if you want to say the house is big, I will say the house a big, without the helping verb is. So that's the first thing. So if you want to say what is this in Arabic, you will just simply say what this. In Arabic, what is ma? Ma, what. We also have maza, which is used with verbs, but we are focusing on ma in this lesson. Ma, what. And this is haza. Ma haza. What is this? So you say ma haza. So you say ma haza, it means what is this? Ma haza. And the answer is, we're going to say this is a pen. So this again in Arabic is haza. Haza. A pen is qalamun. Haza qalamun. This is the pen without helping verb in between. Haza qalamun. This is a pen. Ma haza. What is this? Haza qalamun. This is a pen. So how do we say what is this? Say with me. Ma haza. What is this? And this is a book. Book in Arabic is kitab. So what the answer is going to be? Yes, that's correct. Haza kitab. Haza kitab. Or haza kitabun. Haza kitabun. Haza kitab. Or haza kitabun. Because when you're speaking Arabic, you don't need to pronounce the ending vowels. So you could just say haza kitab. So if you want to say this is a pen and you use the word and this is a book. So what do? You simply put wa in between, wa. So you say haza qalamun, this is a pen, wa haza kitabun, and this is a book. Haza qalamun wa haza kitab. This is a pen and this is a book. You could say other things like ma hazihi. Ma hazihi. Hazihi arika. Hazihi arika. Hazihi arikatun. This is a sofa. So this is for things which are near. So how about if you want to say what is that? Something which is further away. What is that? How do you say that? Again, what we know, ma. And that in Arabic is zalika. Ma zalika. Ma zalika. What is that? Again, no connecting verbs. You will answer zalika. For example, if you want to say house, you say baytun. Zalika baytun. Baytun means a house. Zalika bayt. Zalika baytun. So you say ma haza wa ma zalika. What is this and what is that? You say haza qalamun wa zalika baytun. Haza qalamun, this is a pen, wa zalika, and that is بيت, a house. ما ذلك, what is that? You could answer ذلك مسجد, that is a mosque. That is a mosque. But instead of saying what is this and what is that, we want to say who is this and who is that. So we want to talk about people here. How do we say that in Arabic? Who in Arabic is man. So we're going to say man hadha. Who is this? Man hadha. Wa man dhalika. And who is that? Wa man dhalika. We can say hadha mudarrisun. Hadha mudarrisun. Mudarrisun means teacher. Hadha mudarris. Wa dhalika tabib. Wa dhalika tabib. Tabib means doctor. So we can say this is a teacher and that is a doctor. Hadha mudarrisun wa dhalika tabibun. We could also say man hadha, who is this? Hadha zaydun. So we can say a name of a person. Moving on to the articles in Arabic. Like English, we have two articles in Arabic. We have indefinite and definite. Indefinite, what does it mean? It means in English when we have a something or an, this is called indefinite. So for example, we say a pen or an apple. So the a and an here are known as indefinite, as opposed to saying the book. The book. So the is known as definite article. So a and an is known as indefinite and the is known as definite. So in Arabic, how do we say indefinite article? We don't have a separate word for it. So indefinite article in Arabic is said by having the word, the noun ending in tanween. Having the noun ending in tanween. What does it mean? Kitabun, two dhammas. It means a book. Or we could also have kitaban, kitabin. But those kitaban and kitabin we haven't covered yet. Those are only used in certain circumstances. We will cover that later inshallah in the future lessons. So here we focus on kitabun. Kitabun means a book. So how do you say the book? The book. In Arabic we have an article called al. Al. So what we do is we attach al with a noun, becomes definite. So kitabun means a book. Then you add al to it, becomes al kitabu. Al kitabu, the book. And don't forget, when we add al, the tanween goes. It becomes bu. It was kitabun, becomes bu. Kitabu. Kitabun, a book. Al kitabu, the book. So if you want to say the book is book, you say al kitabu. Al kitabu kabirun. Al kitabu kabirun. The book is big. Al kitabu saghirun. The book is small. Kabir means big. Saghir means small. Al kitabu saghirun. The book is small. Al kitabu kabirun. The book is big. So if you play around with these words we learnt, you can make a lot of different sentences. Inshallah, that's all for this lesson. If you enjoyed this lesson, inshallah, then click on the link below and join my Telegram channel, where I'll be posting useful links and resources, as well as when I upload the videos, I'll be posting it there. So inshallah, join my Telegram channel, inshallah, and I will keep you updated, inshallah. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.